Thank you, students. Now take one example. Here, find the SI unit of constant A and B from the relation P is equal to B minus x square by AT, where P is the power, x is the distance, and T is the time, and A and B are the constants. You have to find the dimension of A and dimension of B. Now, the given equation is P equal to B minus x square by AT. We know that the two physical quantities can be subtracted if their dimensions are equal. So from this concept, you can say the dimension of B and dimension of x square, not x, will be equal. So you can write down dimension of B is equal to dimension of x square. What is x? X is the distance. We know that the dimension of distance is L square. So the dimension of B also will be L square, which can be written like that: m to the power 0 L square T to the power 0. So you get the dimension of B. Again, from this given equation, you can find A. A will be B minus x square by PT. This is the value of A. That means expressed A in terms of the other physical quantities. So the dimension of A is equal to dimension of whole B minus x square, because both B and x square have the same dimension because they are in subtract form. But in the denominator, P and T are the multiplication form. So you take the dimension of P into dimension of T individually. Dimension of B minus x square, that means the dimension of B or the dimension of x square, it is the L square. Dimension of P, that means power, that means it will be m L square T to the power minus 3, and T is a time, so the capital T. Now it is simplify. Here the L square and H square is cancelled. Here the m in the denominator, so it will be m to the power minus 1. No L is there, so L to the power 0. Here T to the power minus 3 into T, that means T to the power minus 2 in denominator. So when it goes to the numerator, it will be T square. It will be T to the power minus 2 in denominator. So when it goes to the numerator, say it will be T to the power minus 2 according to the rules of indices. So dimension of A is equal to m to the power minus 1 L to the power 0 and T square. This is the dimension of A, and it is the dimension of B. Now take another interesting example. Here we know that the unit of force is Newton, not Newton. It is the 1 Newton is the unit of force. Energy, it is the 1 joule, or velocity is 1 meter per second in SI unit. We know it. But here it is given the SI unit of force is 10 Newton, not 1 Newton. Energy, unit of energy is 100 joule, not 1 joule, and the velocity is 5 meter per second. If you take these are as a unit of force, energy and velocity, then what will be the unit of length, mass and time? Very interesting question is there. Now here it is given force. So the dimension of force is equal to 10 Newton. We know that dimension of force is m L T to the power minus 2 is equal to 10 Newton. This is the equation number 1. Energy is the unit of energy is given 100 joule. Dimension of energy is m L square T to the power minus 2 is equal to 100 joule. And the velocity, it is given unit of velocity is given 5 meter per second. So dimension of v equal to 5 meter per second. Dimension of v equal to m0 lt to the power minus 1, and it is equal to 5 meter s to the power minus 1. This is the equation number 3. So you get equation number 1, equation number 2, and equation number 3. By solving these 3 equations, you have to find the value of m, which will be the unit of mass, value of L, which will be the unit of length, and value of T, which will be the unit of time. Now check equation number 1 and 2. Then you get here the m and m, here the t to the power minus 2 to the minus 2. This m and t square are matched. So to get L, divide equation number 2 by equation number 1. By divide equation number 2 divided by 1. So what you get, equation number 2 is m l square t to the power minus 2 divided by equation number 1 m l t to the power minus 2 is equal to, here it is the right hand side is 100 joule, and here is the right hand side is 10 Newton, is 10 Newton. 100 joule means 100 Newton meter. Joule means Newton into meter, and 10 Newton. Here m and m cancel, t to the minus 2, t to the minus 2, it is also cancel. So L square by L, it is L. And here 10 Newton, 10 Newton is cancelled, it remains 10, and it is remains meter, so it will be 10 meter. So L is equal to 10 meter, and it is the unit of length. So unit of length is 10 meter. Now you get the value of m. Now put the value of value of L in equation number 3, because there is no m, here the only L and t to the power minus 1. If you put L, then you get t. Now put L in equation number 3. m0 L t to the power minus 1 is equal to 5 meter s to the power minus 1. So t to the power minus 1 will be, side change L, it will be divided by L. L, the value of L is 10 meter, put 10 meter. Now there is a cancel of 5 to the 10, meter and meter is cancelled. Here the s to the power minus 1, that means denominator is s, so 1 by 2 to 2s. Here the t to the power minus 1, that means 1 by t, so 1 by t is equal to 1 by 2s. Now reverse the both side, so you get t here, you get 2s, so t equal to 2s. This is the unit of time. So unit of time is 2 seconds. Now put m, to find out m, put L and t in equation number 1, or you can put also equation number in equation number 2. Here I put L and t in equation number 1. M L t to the power minus 2 is equal to 10 Newton, is equal to 10 Newton. So m is equal to, side change L and t to the power minus 2, so they will be divided, 10 Newton divided by L t to the power minus 2. Now the bracket 10 Newton means it is the kg meter s to the power minus 2. If you break Newton, then you get this unit. L, the value of L is 10 meter, it is a 10 meter. Here the t to the power minus 2, that means in the numerator it will be t to the power 2. Here the t value of t is 2s, so it will be t to the power 2, that means 2s to the power 2, that means square. Now here the 10 kg Newton meter s to the power minus 2, it will be 4 s square by 10 Newton. Here s to the power minus 2 and s square, by law of indices they will be 0, that means s to the power 0, that means 1. Meter and meter will be cancelled, 10 and 10 will be cancelled. So what is the remaining? Here the 4 and the kg. So m is equal to 4 kg. That means m equal to 4 kg. So the unit of mass is 4 kg. So here the unit of mass is 4 kg. unit of length is 10 meter and unit of t is 2s, then the unit of force will be 10 Newton, energy will be 100 joule and the velocity will be 5 meter per second. Very interesting question it is. Thank you.